it's Halloween and handing out candy, so you probably can't see all the crazy. One neighbor's got some crazy shit going on. House over there, you approach it and it all lights up. Anyway, yeah, so kind of show you what I did. So I figured since I was handing out candy, I'd go ahead and do some other bullshit. So I decided that I needed to probably get most of the wiring here claimed and moved around. So everything there can be moved around. The only thing I haven't done is undone the fuel system cables. I think that's going to be the key to getting this here complete off. But I did loosen some of the bolts, so that's ready to go. So all I really need to do is just slide it out of the way. I'm not sure, but I'll figure that out once I get to that point. I'm still waiting on the timing cover, but I did remove the radiator. I figure that's going to give me plenty of room to get down into here and work on that. I'm probably going to lower it to the ground again. I don't think I need to do this from underneath, so I think I'm good there. I really don't have much more to report other than I did buy the tools to remove this, so this thing here comes up more easily now. So if I need to get access to it, it's not terrible. Sorry I don't have a big update video for you guys. Hopefully in the next week or two. Tasca said that about something like 2 weeks to get the timing cover. I'm guessing that's not a common item they have just laying around. So hopefully I get that soon, and then I can do some more video documentation of how to get the valve covers off, and then how to get the timing cover off, and how to get the crank off. It looks like, from what I've read, because I've been reading a lot, it looks like I just need to put the car into gear, and then from there, I guess it's maybe a 12 point socket. If any of you guys have any opinions or know how to do that, let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate that. But I think that's what it is, a 12 point. And I think just putting it in gear, and everyone has said that an electric impact will zip that right off. And then from there, you just use, that thing. I did find a crank saver bolt for 120 bucks. I'm going to go ahead and pick that up probably next week and then get that mailed out here and see what happens. They say that's supposed to help. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll let you guys know if that's worth 120 bucks or if that's just a fucking ripoff. I don't know. So that is where I'm at. I'll let you guys know when I get further into this. Please like and subscribe my videos, and we'll move from there. But this is where we are. Hope you guys enjoy the Whipple with everything taken off, and it's been a good night. Hopefully the kiddies come and get some fucking candy, because that's what I got here, a big ass bowl of candy. So hopefully they do, but if not, I guess I'm going to work with some candy. Enjoy the hot sauce. See you guys.